Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning into another video. In this one, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a taste test. I got this new product. I've never tried it before. It's by a brand called Leviva. It's a keto-friendly spaghetti. It says keto certified right there. It's also vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, halal. I've never heard of this. It's organic shirataki with oat fiber. Really weird. I'll throw the macros up on here for you. But yeah, it's only 1 gram of carbs, net carbs, per serving. So I'm going to make it with a little bit of a meat sauce with some ground beef. And yeah, let's just give this a try. And with the magic of editing, we're here. It's done. I got it all cooked up. I changed my shirt because I realized I'm going to be eating spaghetti. Don't want to get stains all over my nice white shirt. So first, I have this really great Australian grass-fed lean ground beef. So I fried that up till it was all done. And then I added some of this really nice garlic marinara sauce. I've never tried the brand before, so I'm super excited about it. This is going to be the most high-carb thing out of this whole dish, so make sure not to use very much of it. And then it came to the start of the show, the spaghetti. It's strange. There was no cooking directions on it. It just said rinse it off, dry it off, and then yeah, add it to the sauce and let it soak. So that's kind of what I did, and let's hope it's good. It looks good. It feels like spaghetti. So yeah, we'll see. And then I shredded up some aged white cheddar, put that on top, sprinkled some pepper on it, and yeah, this is it. We're left with this huge bowl of pasta. I actually doubled it. This is probably 2 servings worth, just because I haven't eaten much today. But if you were looking to get just 1 serving of this, I punched it all into Chronometer, and I have the macros for you. So all in all, this is pretty good macro profile. It's just under 500 calories, about 38.5 grams of protein. Of course, you can vary that by how much meat you put in. For me, this is 150 grams of lean ground beef, 29.3 grams of fat, and 6 net carbs. So pretty good, pretty good. Enough talking, let's dig into this and see how it tastes, because that's the most important part, right? So the texture is kind of like spaghetti, dangles like spaghetti, twirls like spaghetti. So let's get a bite first with some sauce and some meat, and we'll try it just by itself. That tastes like spaghetti. Wow. Pretty impressive. The only major difference I would say from a regular pasta is the texture. It's a little bit chewier, kind of almost like a mushroom. Pretty interesting. Let me try just the noodles by themselves without sauce. Well, I mean, there's sauce all over it, but I'll try to get some clean noodles here. All right, good as I can do. Let's try these by themselves. So yeah, pretty flavorless, but that's kind of what you want. You want just the sauce to come through. And yeah, I would say this is a pretty legitimate substitution. I'm going to try some of their other pastas. At the supermarket, there was penne and I think a macaroni. So yeah, this is a recommend. I would definitely try this if I were you guys. If you tried this recipe, take a picture of it and leave it down in the comments below. And tell me what you think about it. It's pretty good. I'm going to finish the rest of this bowl. Thanks for hanging out, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.